Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO Team per Lemon. Today we will learn how to make business email. So for this purpose, go to the Cloudflare, sign up and click on Add Site. From registrar, Namecheap, GoDaddy or any registrar, change the DNS. Add the domain here, click continue, and Cloudflare will provide the name servers, so you can update that name servers on your registrar side. After the complete verification, you just need to click on the websites. Here I have verified one. Click this, go to the email, click get started. For example, I want to create rana@asepticmag.com. So for now, click on get started. Here you have to register some destination address. Add a destination address. For example, I want to use rana@lemon. Click save. Open this email. So enable this email routing, add records and enable. Here you can see I have an email from Cloudflare to verify this routing address. Click on the verify email address. So you can see here my destination address, rana@perlemon.com. Actually it's verified. So refresh the page. You can see it's verified now. So click on the routing rules and create address. So I need rana@asepticmag.com, send to an email, and the destination address is rana@perlemon. Click save. So here you can see that if someone send the email on rana@asepticmag.com, then I can receive emails on rana@perlemon.com. So it's the incoming side resolved without any G Suite account. So for sending the emails, go to the settings, see all settings, click on forwarding and pop IMAP. Enable this IMAP. Okay, here in the accounts you can add send email as, for example, I want to add another email address. So I want to add rana@asepticmag as a sender address. So I can use rana@asepticmag.com as a sender address. So after this, my sending and receiving both problems are resolved. So now I can use this business email for sending and receiving the email without any G Suite account. Thank you. So we can test also if it's working or not. Let's go to another email address. It's my rana@perlemon@gmail.com. Click compose. Okay, now send on Rana at asepticmag.com. Hi, it's a test email. So let's try sending this email. So you can see it's Rana at Perlemon, but I have sent to the Rana at Aseptic Mag. Refresh that. Let's wait for this. You can also check the report here. Let's double check the address. Here you can see we have received the email from team at Perlemon. Hi, can you please check it's fine or not? And the email was actually sent on the Rana at Aseptic Mag, and I have received on Rana at Perlemon. Thank you.